Hey there. So you are deep into HubSpot. You are using the Service Hub to its fullest. Today we are going to tell you how you can create a form to collect incoming tickets from your customers inside HubSpot. So guys, in order to create a form, in order to collect incoming tickets, firstly what you have to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you are done doing that, now this is the new navigation which is in beta. Absolutely, we will be talking about the new navigation because of the fact that it will be rolled out to everybody soon. So inside the new navigation, in order to access the form, click on marketing, then click on forms. Once you do this, either you can create a new form by clicking on the create form button on the right. Otherwise, you can edit an existing form that you might have. So if we choose the edit existing form route, we'll click on the edit button besides the form. Now this is a very basic level form that we had made earlier. And here we just have few of the properties like email, street, address, city, phone number, etc, etc. And we can also add frequently used properties like first name and maybe the last name as well. And all of this is done, this is added. Now on the left side itself, there's an option called as ticket properties. There's a toggle right next to it. Click on this toggle in order to enable this. And there are new properties added to your form, which is the ticket property, ticket name and ticket description. In order to add more properties related to this, maybe something like a priority, maybe if I want this as well, I can add this as well, maybe file upload as well, category as well. These are all ticket properties, maybe resolution status as well, maybe source status as well. So all of these properties have been added by me to the form. And once you are done doing all of this, click on the update button on the top right and then click on publish. Once you click on all of this, your changes are live on your form. So once that is done, here is the form link. Let's just copy this link for now and see what all changes do happen to the ticket and whether the whole ticket collection process is working as expected or not. So I just clicked and copied the form link. Let's open a new tab. So this is an incognito window. Yes, absolutely. I open incognito windows in order to open forms. Yes, you are looking at me right now. And let's put in a name. My name is Aditya Nath Jha. Maybe my email address, I'll put that here. I put a street address, New Delhi, city is Delhi, phone number. No, I'm not going to tell you my phone number. This is just something random. And category is maybe feature request. I am not going to upload any file. Priority is high. And the ticket name is please help. And the resolution is that send knowledge document link. And in the source, maybe I select the form. Ticket description. I need help, please. Then I click on submit. So once that is done, I am redirected to the CTA9 homepage. Do you know why that happened? Because in one of our previous videos, we had set up a feature for conditional form URL routing. So my email address was known by HubSpot system, so it redirected me back to the CTA9 page. Yes, absolutely. If you're a regular watcher of our videos, this is how that feature works. And now let's go back to the tickets and see whether this new ticket has been generated and created or not. So this was our updated form. Now let's go back to the HubSpot dashboard. This is what the HubSpot dashboard looks like. Yes, absolutely. And here we click on CRM and then click on tickets in order to see whether our ticket has been registered or not. And now we can see that there is a new ticket registered called as please help with a high priority. And let's click on this ticket. And we can see that the ticket description is here, ticket creation date is here, and all of the relevant associations are here. So guys, this is how you can create a form to collect incoming tickets inside HubSpot. So guys, I hope you were easily able to follow all of the steps that we talked about. In case you still need our help in order to do something related to these steps, or you want to build something custom or awesome of your own, do reach out to us via the QR code on the screen in front of you or via the link in the pinned comment below. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.